The world shocks, the role of Russian Su-35 fighter jets in the Ukraine war. As the war in Ukraine continues for more than a month, Russia seems to reorganize its strategy and reposition its military forces. Beyond Russia's ground vehicles, one of the things that Moscow started using in Ukraine is the powerful Su-35 jet. The most capable fighter in the country. In the first phase of the conflict, Putin didn't use his air superiority in such scale. Now, its tactics may have changed as more and more Su-35s fly in the sky. The Su-35S is the first version of the Su-35 that was produced in great numbers. The fighter can carry air-to-ground weapons such as IR and radar homing missiles, bombs, or rocket pods. Besides that, it can perform as an electronic warfare aircraft and jam hostile radars and radio communication. As previously mentioned, it looks as if Moscow wants to change its tactic and take advantage of its air superiority. The Ukrainian army operates only a few military aircraft, and most of them aren't even fighters. We could say that the Ukrainian air defenses are very effective so far. And that's the reason behind the decision for Moscow to send the powerful Su-35s to Ukraine. Its role is to suppress the remaining Ukrainian air defenses. More specifically, the Su-35's flankery of the Russian Air Force conducts SEAD missions, suppression of enemy air defenses, to destroy the Ukrainian air defense systems. Such systems are anti-aircraft weapons, surface-to-air missile systems, radars. The Su-35S is the first version of the Su-35 that was produced in great numbers. The fighter can carry air-to-ground weapons such as IR and radar homing missiles, bombs, or rocket pods. Besides that, it can perform as an electronic warfare aircraft. The Russian Su-35s will face aircraft such as the legendary MiG-29 multirole fighter, the classic Su-24 and Su-25 attack jets, and the Su-27 air superiority fighter. In terms of specifications, the Su-35 features more modern electronic